When I started my first business, I made several mistakes. This video is to help you avoid making costly mistakes with your first business. Let's dive into the meat after this disclaimer. If you don't know me, I'm Avanti. I'm a mom, an investment analyst, and a CFA charter holder. Follow me to learn how to simplify your finances and build wealth. These are the 9 steps I will cover. There is a critical step 0, which I will talk about at the end of the video. I'm not a legal expert and provide this information for education and entertainment only. If you need clarification on any steps, consult a professional. The first step is to register your business with your state. Before you register, brainstorm to come up with a nice name for your business and make sure the domain name and social media handles are available. Buy the domain name ASAP before someone else grabs it. You don't want to be in a situation where you register your business with the state and realize that the domain name has been taken. You can use GoDaddy or Namecheap to purchase the domain name. Also check with the USPTO website to ensure no trademarks are associated with the name. I recently ran into a trademark issue and boy oh boy, it wasn't fun to deal with. So back to register your business. Most states should have an online portal to register your business. I live in Maryland and Maryland Business Express makes the registration process easy and intuitive. It lists the steps you must follow to create a new business. So the first step is to fill the registration form. It's all online. There are different structures to choose from, such as sole proprietorship, limited liability company or LLC, S corporation or C corporation, each structure with unique advantages and disadvantages. I chose an LLC structure for my business. You can change the legal structure later if you change your mind or your business evolves. After you pay a registration fee, it may take several weeks to receive an approval from the state, but there may be an expedited option that comes at an extra cost. After registering your business with the state, obtain a federal tax ID, an EIN or Employer Identification Number. That's the second step. You may be able to get an EIN before your business is registered with the state, but you may want to ensure that your business is correctly registered with the state first to avoid duplicating efforts. The EIN is helpful when filing taxes for your business. You will also need an EIN to open a business bank account or hire employees. You can apply directly on the IRS website and obtain the EIN on the same day. You may need to file beneficial ownership information with FinCEN, the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. Ensure your business name is consistent across the board, including punctuation marks. For example, use the same name if your company is registered as ABC, LLC. Don't use LLC in one place and L.L.C. in another. The third step is to obtain the necessary licenses or permits to operate your business legally. For example, you may need a barber's license to work as a barber. The cost of these permits varies depending on the type of business. Check with your state regulations on what permits your business needs. The fourth step is to obtain business insurance. You may need several different types of insurance, such as commercial auto insurance, unemployment insurance, workers' compensation, liability insurance, etc. The fifth step is to obtain a business bank account. In case of lawsuits or liabilities, you always want to keep your business and personal financial accounts separate. After registering my business, I checked a couple of local banks like Bank of America and Chase. Chase had a lower minimum balance requirement if I wanted to get the monthly fee waived compared to Bank of America. Also, obtaining a business credit card may be helpful. Credit cards can help you earn points while you spend on your business. Make sure to pay off the credit card in full every statement cycle. A sound card when I first started my LLC was the Chase Ink card. There are several options and the offers keep changing, so watch for the best credit card deals. The sixth thing is to be meticulous with your accounting. Keep records of all expenses and income for tax and accounting purposes. Start with free apps like Excel or Google Sheets. I know Excel is not free, but still. As you scale your business, move to paid apps like QuickBooks or hire an experienced professional who can save you thousands of dollars in business taxes. The seventh step is to create an online presence for your business. It's imperative to be searchable, so make sure your website is lightweight for SEO purposes. I use WordPress with a lightweight theme called GeneratePress. What I like about the theme is the ability to customize it. Many different theme options are available, and if you're not tech savvy, you can hire a web designer off of Upwork or Fiverr to build you one. Step 8 is to get your business cards, build a customer base, and sell your product or service and make money. You can use Canva to design your business cards or hire someone. Now on to step 0. This step is for you if you want to be an entrepreneur but don't have a concrete idea. Here's a suggestion on how to develop a business making idea. Make a table with 3 columns in Excel or in paper. In the first column, list all the ideas that you are good at. In the second column, write whether the idea can make money. And finally, in the third column, indicate whether you're passionate about that idea. Shortlist ideas that have check marks in the last 2 columns and then make a decision. For example, if you are a tennis coach considering starting a coaching program, determine if you're good at tennis. That's the first step. Next, check whether there's a market for tennis coaches in your location. Are people willing to pay for your services? Finally, are you passionate enough to devote most of your waking hours to your business? Because until your business takes off and you can make your first hire, you will be spending a lot of time in this business. Unless you're passionate about it, it will be impossible to stick with your commitment. Thank you for staying till the end. Feel free to ask questions in the comments, but I also like words of encouragement, kindness, and constructive criticism if you have no questions. If you enjoyed the content and found it helpful, please give me a like and a follow, and that will do for now. As always, don't forget to be happy, kind, and your best self. I will see you in my next video. Bye.